what's up guys? It's Augie back to you from Parts Online Network with another Tech Tip Tuesday. So today we're going to be, I'm going to show you how to remove and install oil cooler lines from an '04 to an '06 SRT10 Ram truck. I normally call them cars, but I don't want Neil to get upset with me and go all crazy in the comment section. So we actually make the cooler lines in-house. There will be a link in the description where you can purchase them. You can buy them as a DIY kit where you put them together yourself, and you can buy them as a complete kit where we put them together, ship them out, and they also come with a lifetime warranty. So those links will be in the description below. So the tools that we're going to need in order to take the truck apart, which I'll show you a close-ups of all the parts. We're going to need an AN. This is an AN fitting adjustable wrench. This comes in handy. A 1-inch socket. This is for the new fittings that we supply in the kit. This is so you can bolt it back into the oil cooler. And then you're also going to need a behemoth 32-inch millimeter.
What?
32-inch millimeter.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We have this on a 1/2 inch just to get that done. And that's to remove the old cooler lines that are in the oil cooler, the fittings. And then just a pick, because there is going to be a metal clip that holds the actual line in. So that's pretty much it. But other than needing an oil pan to catch the oil that's going to fall on the floor and get all over your face, I'm gonna probably have our tech Tommy do it, because I'm looking all pretty with this white t-shirt on and I don't want to get dirty. And he's probably gonna cuss me out for that anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to that right now and I'll show you in a bit. These are some of the fittings that we have. Well, these are the fittings that will come with the kit provided to you with the link. They'll be in the link description below. And then this is the hose that we're using. We also have multiple colors. This is the all black. We have black with blue little lines, and then we have black with red little lines. This truck is currently going to get ones that we already made. I'll grab those for you right now. These are the ones that we already have made. They're going to go into this '06 truck that we've had here for a while. So let's get to it. All right, so here we have the truck. I'm going to show you the oil cooler lines and how they get nasty, and it's one of a common problems that happens with the Viper engines. So I'm going to show you those right now. So if you look in here, zoom in, you'll see how it's all crudded up, and the oil lines are just completely saturated, and there's just oil all over this place. So what we're going to be doing is replacing these lines and these fittings with the new ones that we supply on usepartsonlinenetwork.com. So this is a little plastic cover. This you pop off, and then you're gonna have this little clip which we're gonna take off with the pick I was telling you about, and then the 32mm socket will go on here. Pull that out, oil will drain, and we'll replace it with all the new ones. So we're gonna get to that right now. All right, and just like I said before, it's very simple. So this plastic piece is going to be over. You can easily just get a flathead screwdriver and pop it off. There you go. And then that will expose the clip that you can just take a little pick, and then you can go in there and fish it out. So I am going to, there we go. Actually, I should be able to just get the rest of it right here. And there we have it. I dropped that one. Don't do that, but I know I heard it hit the floor, so I know where it's at. So now that that is popped out, I will be able do it again. And I dropped that too. Haha. I'll be able to pull this line out. As you can see, I can start to do it. And the line will just come right out. I'm going to get the oil pan ready so it can catch all the fluids that are going to fall from this. All right, so now that I have it here, you're just going to see it. I'm going to pull it out. Oh, lucky for me, no oil came out. So you'll see how easy it was. You just take off the covering clip, take out the retaining clip, and you pull it out. And that was it. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. The ones underneath the car are going to be even better. All right, guys, we are underneath the car now. I'm going to show you what it looks like to where we're going to remove the fittings at. So if I can get the camera without getting it all dirty, right in there. Focus. All right, yeah. So right there is the other fittings. There's one up there, and the other one is right there. So there and that one. And those are the ones that, Tommy, you're going to take off right now. Don't really need to have them on camera because really there is no space under here. So we'll get those off, and then we'll show you about putting the lines back in. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Augie from the future. So the memory card was full and it never finished recording the end of the video. So the truck is currently getting tires put on it. So we have another customer's truck, George's truck, that we did the lines on. So I will show you those real quick. If you can see, let me turn this around. So he got the red lines installed because he has red accents on his car, and you can see the fittings. Where we at? The fittings nice down there, nice and clean. Yep. So ooh, man, that's how you install it. Oh, I gotta back out my face. All right, so it really is simple. Any competent DIYer will be able to, like I said, to put the fittings into the oil cooler and into the engine block with the 1-inch for the new adapters and the 32 millimeter for the for the factory ones coming out of the SRT10. It is very cold. So all the purchasing links will be in the first comment or the description below. This is Augie from Parts Online Network, showing you on your Tech Tip Tuesday that happens to be on a Wednesday because I messed up. But talk to you guys later. Remember, Parts Online Network. Any purchasing links will be in the description below. Talk to you later. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Augie back to you guys. Every